It's currently 12 a.m. and my entire family is asleep, and I decided it would be a great time to make a new video. Anyway, it's been a while since I last uploaded, and a lot has happened. Kanye's a Nazi. Queen Elizabeth died. That was pretty funny. They added dirt bikes to Fortnite. DJ Khaled went plane shopping. Actually, on the topic of aircrafts, I got a drone. Go back to bed. Anyway, today we'll be making a drawing. There's nothing special about this drawing other than I'm the one that made it. What type of transition should I do? Alright, can you get off the... Please, don't make me fucking hit you with the drone. Alright. Classic YouTuber transition.
I accidentally deleted all the footage. That's right, 3 days of filming completely down the drain. And now all I have to show for those 3 days is a 5-minute GoPro clip of me erasing, then proceeding to bust it down. So, I found a way to recover all of my files. They're all right here, look at them. Look at all these, right here, see? It's fucking paywalled, man. Dude, the free amount that you can recover is 500 megabytes. What the fuck can you recover for 500 megabytes? A picture of a potato chip? I think it was like, if this was $20, I would do it. I can't afford that. Anyways, in those 3 days of filming, I painted this butterfly and I colored some stuff. So we're just gonna pick it up right from there because I'm not paying that man my yearly wage. Enjoy. What's good, party people? As you can tell, I got my Shen outfit on. Anyway, I wanted to thank you for watching today's video. I wish you a Merry Christmas. And if you don't celebrate Christmas, well, I hope you just have a jolly-filled day. And if today isn't great, there's always tomorrow, my friend. Remember, if there's something you want to do, just go do it. No reason to wait for the quote-unquote perfect time. Just go do it. And if it fails, well, then you don't have to think about it anymore anyway. So, you know, just go do it, you know? Also, new video on the gaming channel.
Hey, Jazz.
Yo, just keep firing.
I really like your YouTube channel.
So go watch that. And yeah, stay safe and stay positive. I love you all, and goodbye.
Oh yeah, Ecoluz is going. He's doing his montage. He really is growing. Spitting bars like I'm on Mars. Eating food, I'm in the mood.